urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for East Central Ashland County, Western Wayne County in northeastern Ohio until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Hayesville or near Ashland, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Worcester and Orville around 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Mohicanville, Congress, Roseburg, Reedsburg, Smithville, Jeromesville, and Apple Creek.